How to see who viewed your TikTok profile. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. TikTok offers a profile views feature with the recent release. This lets you see who has viewed your profile. However, it only works if both of you and the viewer have this feature enabled. So first of all, make sure you have updated your TikTok. For this, visit Play Store or App Store and then launch the application. Then after log in into your account and tap on the profile. On the left of the three horizontal lines, you will see the profile view icon. Tap on it to enable the profile view. Once that is done, you can see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days, but only people who turned on profile view history will be shown. However, if either party has disabled these features, views will not be visible. Also, you can disable this feature anytime through the settings by toggling the option off. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.